Hey everyone! Today I'm breaking down two key concepts that every finance student should master. Dividends and the trial balance. First up, dividends. Dividends are essentially payments made to shareholders from a company's earnings. Imagine this. A company earns $10,000 in profits. To reward its shareholders, it decides to pay out $2,000 in dividends. This transaction gets recorded on the financial statements by reducing the company's retained earnings. So, in essence, dividends are a way for the company to share its success with its investors. Now let's flip over to the trial balance. Simply put, a trial balance is a list of all account balances at a specific point in time. Its main purpose is to ensure that the total debits equal the total credits in the accounting records. It's kind of like a checkpoint in a video game. It helps you make sure you're on the right track before moving forward. If the debits and credits don't match, it signals that there might be an error in the accounting entries that needs to be investigated. So why are these concepts important? Understanding dividends helps you see how companies distribute their earnings and reward shareholders. Meanwhile, a trial balance is crucial for verifying the accuracy of the financial information, ensuring that everything adds up correctly before you prepare financial statements. There you have it. A quick and simple breakdown of dividends and the trial balance. Is this breakdown helpful? Hit that like button and subscribe for more accounting tips and tricks.